Okay, so here is our video for example 2. We have to find all of the missing angles in this picture. So that means we need to figure out what x is, because there's an x right here that we don't know. And we need to figure out y. And we need to figure out z. And if you look in this picture, you sort of have 3 triangles going on. You have this big one where the corners are A, B, and C. Okay. You also have, though, this kind of smaller one on the left where the corners are A, B, and D. And then you have this medium-sized one over here on the right where the corners are B, C, and D. And remember, the angles in a triangle have to add up to 180. So I'm going to start with solving for x. And so to do that, I'm just going to look at this kind of smaller triangle over here on the left side. We're just going to pretend that that looks like the picture. So this angle at the top is 43. And this angle right here in A is 59. And then in D right here is the x that I have to figure out. And this is just like the problems you were just doing. You know 2 of the 3 angles in this triangle. So 59 plus 43 plus this x have to make 180 because it's a triangle. So 59 plus 43 is 102. So I got 102 plus x equals 180. And then I'm going to subtract 102 from both sides. So I'm going to get that x equals whatever 180 minus 102 is, which is 78. So I'm just going to write it over here. X equals 78 degrees. Okay. And I could put that in my picture. Oops. Uh-oh, what's my computer doing? All right. I'm going to put that 78 degrees in my picture. Because this 78 and this angle y right here, they make a straight line at the bottom. So whatever x is plus y has to equal 180 because lines are also 180. Well, we already figured out x. It's 78. So 78 plus y equals 180. And subtract 78. Uh-oh, what's going on? So y equals 180 minus 78 is 102. So y is 102. And you can add that to your picture then. And then to solve for z, I'm just going to look at this triangle, this kind of triangle on the right. So B is at the top, D, Z. They tell you there's a 49 up here in B. That's 49. We figured out that this is 102, and we don't know. It's technically on the outside, that's a C, and on the inside, it's a Z. We want to know Z. Again, it's a triangle, so those 3 numbers put together have to add up to 180. So 49 plus 102 plus whatever Z is has to make 180. So 49 plus 102 is 151 plus Z equals 180. Subtract 151 from both sides. 180 minus 151 is 29. So Z is 29 degrees. And all of these are angles, so make sure you put degrees on them. So when you have a picture like that, find one to start with, find a variable to start with. It's helpful if you use a triangle that already has 2 numbers in it, like in this one right here, I already knew the 43 and the 59. And then from there, you can do something with a straight line, like we did with x and y, and then you can do something with the final triangle. And that's the end of that.